Jordan Brand will be releasing a brand new luxurious version of the Air Jordan 1 as part of their 2020 holiday lineup. Dressed in a black and metallic gold color scheme, the shoe comes with a similar design as the Air Jordan 1 Mid from 2003, which was the first ever patent leather Air Jordan 1 2 release from the brand. It features a black patent leather build with gold patent swooshes and ankle collar. Other details include nylon tongue branded with Nike Air atop a black rubber sole. Look for the Air Jordan 1 High OG Black Metallic Gold 2 release on Cyber Monday, November 30th at select retailers and the Nike Sneakers app. The retail price tag is set at $170 US. Now I will leave links to places dropping this shoe, places holding raffles, so check the description below. Also, I will get into resell, but before we do that, let's just go over this shoe. Bam! The Jordan 1 Black Metallic, aka Black Gold. Now, I was able to get this shoe in hand early. That way I can show you the colorway, give you my input. That way you can decide whether you want to go for this shoe on release day. So there are a lot of things I really like about the colorway and a few things I do not like about this color scheme. Now at first glance, I really like the shoe. I like the black and gold. I think the gold complements the black very nicely, especially in this patent leather material. Patent leather definitely gives off more of a high-end luxury feel to the sneaker, which I do really like. The issue with this colorway for me is just the simple fact that it's all black. It is super hard for me to wear an all black sneaker. It just throws it off. I feel it looks a little too formal, especially in this patent leather form. I really wish they would have done something with this outsole. Maybe do like a white midsole, gold outsole, or even just gold midsole and then the outsole be black, just to add some more color in there, which I feel like they kind of did, because they did throw in these little like stitches in gold. It really doesn't complement it that much, and it's not even noticeable. So I really wish they would have done like the full midsole in gold or even white, and then they could have kept the black outsole. But with that being said, this colorway I think would be perfect for those formal events. You don't necessarily want to wear dress shoes or whatever it may be. You can still rock some Jordans. I'm not trying to hate on the shoe, but there's more problems when it comes to this patent leather. You're gonna crease the sneaker a lot easier. Creases will get into the patent leather. Now, you will also pick up so much dust with this shoe, and not necessarily just pick it up, it's gonna be more noticeable than any other Jordan or like a leather upper. The patent leather is just gonna show off all the dust, the dirt, the fingerprints. You know, I can put my finger right here and then it's gonna leave a little smudge. So that definitely sucks. That's one problem I have with patent leather. The shoe does come with black and gold laces. I'll show you guys the gold laces real quick. So yeah, gold laces. With this shoe, you're gonna wanna rock either the gold laces or find a pair of white laces and throw on this shoe. I think white laces on the sneaker would set the whole colorway off. Just make it pop, add some more color to it. Now let's get into resale. This shoe on StockX is going for around $300 to $400 depending on the size. I definitely think that price is gonna drop after release date, but I do think this shoe has resale potential. I see this shoe going for around $225 to $275 right after release date. Another reason this colorway might do really well for resale is because it's right around the holiday season. A lot of people will end up going for this shoe just off the fact that it is dropping Cyber Monday. You know, people are looking for presents, so I think a lot of people will try to cop this, you know, for someone else or whatever it may be. And because of the amount of people that go for it, there's gonna be a lot of L's. With all the L's and people not being able to get the shoe, that alone is gonna draw some hype and bring that resale up. Yeah, those are my resale predictions. Let me know what you guys think of this colorway. Are you gonna go for this shoe on release day? Again, if you are new to the channel, make sure you subscribe. Hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once.